Cleaning the tools up. These wonderful knives brought to us by Tom Mann, my local craftsman at Woodsman Outdoors. These are all forged from leaf springs. So, you know, a lot of people think you pluck these turkeys, you really are skinning them. You're just kind of getting the skin opened up on it so you can rip the skin off down to the meat. The skin on a wild turkey can be a little tough. It's not my favorite. Ooh, that knife is nice and sharp. Now I'm just getting my hands in here. I'm just ripping the skin off of the meat. I know a lot of people are going to see this, going to give me shit because I body shot this turkey and I just made a bad shot on it. I didn't mean to. You obviously don't want to do that. You want a headshot, but sometimes you don't get the shot you want. But he's dead. Alright, so kind of got the legs skinned out to where I want them with the joint. Come in here and work around that knuckle. I like to get as much skin peeled back before I start cutting into any of the breast or thighs. Unless you're trying to save your skin for any reason, just kind of rip it off. Alright, that's looking good. Alright, start with this breast. Oh, you can see where I made this bad shot on it right here. We'll be able to brine this and pull all that out because this does not taste good. This can really screw your meat up. So we'll get all that out once it's cleaned up. All right, now come in here, you start at this breastplate. Just work your way around it. Follow it down, just like cleaning a chicken. And you've got this little sinew line right here. Just kind of want to follow that down. Right through there. Shouldn't be any meat left on this bone when you're through with this. Man, that knife is nice. Gravity is your friend here. You really just need to touch the meat with a good sharp knife and it'll peel off. You don't have to be doing a whole lot of cutting. You just let it work its way down. Want to keep it out of the dirt though. And I like to go ahead and separate my tenderloins. And so the breast meat here is kind of attached to the wattle. If you just kind of gently pull on the breast meat, you can work that off pretty easily. You can also do this later in the kitchen, but the more you get off now, the easier your life will be later. Now this being a 3-year-old bird, you know, this breast, given another year, would have been probably another inch thick. Would have added a lot of meat to this bird. But this bird is probably not breeding any of the hens, so it's good to shoot this bird over a really mature gob.